Hey y'all, today we're in Foley, Alabama, and we're going to drive through a brand new RV resort called the Grand Riviera RV Resort. It's still under construction, but they do have a little more than this done. They actually have now asphalted the road, and as you'll see as we get up here, they have all of the utilities in, they have the sites concreted, they have a lot of them landscaped. These first ones here on the right look like they're ready to go. As a matter of fact, the first time we drove through, there was an RV sitting on one of them hooked up, so I feel like they've already done some testing. Now, this is being offered by the Rouse Realty Group, which also owns Whispering Pines in Gulf Shores. You can go to their website, rouserealty.com, to find out more information about this, but here's what it says. The Grand Riviera is going to offer a large clubhouse, 3 pools, 2 bathhouses, and 2 laundry rooms. They're also going to have some recreational amenities, including a basketball court, a volleyball court, a pickleball court, which is so popular right now. They're going to have a playground and a dog park, and they have a pond in the middle that they're going to offer recreational fishing on. As we're coming down here, this looks like maybe one of the bathhouses, and this is one of the pools. That's looking good. And we are right here in the middle of Foley. You're just down the road from OWA, just down the road from in the opposite way, Lambert's Cafe, and then all of the restaurants right there on 59. This is in a really good location. Not too far from the beach, really close to the Beach Express, so easy to get in and out. Here's a second pool and what looks like a bathhouse. You can't see it good right here, but over to the left in the middle is where the pond is. It's a pretty good sized pond. And so yeah, so they're working on it. Hopefully they're going to have it open soon. And as soon as we find out some more information as far as pricing and stuff, we will let y'all know. I'm going to contact the owners soon, and once the bathhouses are finished in the clubhouse, and see if they'll let me do a walkthrough so that we can get a more detailed video for y'all. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the little bell so that you'll be notified when we upload our videos, and then you won't miss it. So here you can see where they're working on, I'm assuming what will be the clubhouse right here. Yep, and that's it, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Again, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.